What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the new mobile strategy. So if you're a beginner and you're looking for the strategy that you can use to make money in forex market, you already here. All you need, guys, is to chill and look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing and repeat the same thing. So I'm gonna give you all the settings for the strategy, which is gonna help you to make money in the forex market. So without wasting your time, if you're new to the channel, you already know how we do it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on description below. It's gonna help you to have all the trades that I'm about to take. I always make sure I send them in a free Telegram group so that each and everyone can be able to pay attention to the trade which I'm about to take. So make sure don't miss out. Make sure you join the free Telegram group. Let's start getting into the video. So guys, I'm gonna share all the settings for the strategy, which you're gonna start with relative straight index. Make sure you do what I do. So straight up, we're gonna click F sign right here, F sign, in order to punch all the settings for the strategy. I'm gonna try to go through so that everyone can understand what we're about to go through. So click main windows right here, and the first one we're gonna look for relative straight index. Remember, guys, we are trying to put the settings for the strategy, and then I'll explain you guys later on how the strategy works. So I'm looking for relative straight index, which is this one right here. As you can see, you can see here relative straight index. Click on it. So inside the relative straight index, we have some settings which we want to put in here, some levels and stuff like that. So first one, period, we're gonna make it period 1, and we're gonna apply to close, leave it apply to close. And after that, we're gonna go for levels. We're gonna go for levels. The first level is gonna be level 7. Level 7. The second one is gonna be level 6. Level 6, and then I'm gonna add more. You must add more as well. If you're using an iPhone, you can see the add levels option right here, and if you're using an Android, you're gonna have plus sign on top, which you're gonna click on that. I'm gonna add more levels because you're gonna use more levels, 2 main levels. So level the third one is gonna be level 5. Level 5, yeah, level 5, and level 4. Level 4. The other one is gonna be level what? Level 3. The other one is gonna be level 2. The other one is gonna be level 1, sorry, and the other one is gonna be level 8. We're still gonna add more levels, guys. Still gonna add more levels. And the other one is gonna be level 9, and the other one is gonna be level 90, and the other one is gonna be level 91. Okay, we're gonna add more levels. Just one, which is gonna be the last one, and level 92. So make sure you did the same, guys. Make sure you did the same. As you can see here, make sure everything looking the same. And remember, you can see right here we got the colors. So the color which I'm gonna use in this case, you can use any type of your color or any color that you want, but I personally gonna use yellow. This is my favorite one. I'm gonna use color yellow, and I'm gonna click save. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of this, you know, say take the screenshot of this so that you won't miss any level. You must make sure you do everything the same. So guys, as you can see here, now we already add some levels on the screen, on the screen, as you can see here. So we're gonna go back and put some moving averages, you know, say some moving averages. We're gonna click F sign as well, and after we click F sign, we're gonna click indicator windows 1, which is this one right here, indicator windows 1. And then after that, we're gonna look for the moving average. We're gonna look for the moving average, which is, where is the moving average? I'm looking for the moving average. All right, here's the moving average right here, from the first one, second, third, fourth. Okay, the moving average is right here. So the moving average period, you don't want to miss this, which is gonna be period 5. Period 5. And now shift 0, method exponential. Okay, method exponential, apply to close. Okay, and style, I mean the style, you can just put 4 pixel. Okay, I'm trying to do everything, guys, slowly so that you won't miss anything. And the color, guys, remember the color, you can just put any color of your choice. So I just gonna put red and click done. So now, as you can see here, we already have the first moving average. And guys, this strategy right here, I'm gonna use it to trade the market that we have on the screen right now. Okay, because this trade, I already take first entry, but I want to take more entries as soon as it's becoming a strong sell. So we're gonna add another moving average. Click moving average. Let's go back to F sign, which is right here, and we're gonna click indicator windows 1. And now you already know I did everything like slowly because I want you guys to understand. Click moving averages right here. So we only going to change color and period. So this time around, we're gonna use period 13. Okay, period 13, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Color, we're gonna put the color we're gonna put this time around, let me just put this one, and 4 pixel. Okay, and click save. All right, so now you can see, guys, right here, this is my second moving average, which we're gonna use for moving averages. Okay, and we're gonna go back and put another one. Click F sign right here, F sign, and click indicator windows 1 and click moving average. After that, period is gonna be period 21. Please do some for me. Okay, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, and style 4 pixel of course, and color. I'm gonna use the blue one right now, this case. Boom, and click done. So you can see guys, this is my 31, you know. So we're gonna go ahead and put the last one. Click F sign and click indicator windows 1 and click moving average and period. This time we're gonna use period. We're gonna use period 200. Period 200. Guys, if you are patching this strategy right now, please click like button below, like this video, because guys, you can see it's a lot of work, and you know, it's the information which you don't want to miss. And this strategy guys, if you're gonna use it correctly, as I'm gonna explain to you, you're gonna make money, no cap, no cap, you know. So period 200, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. As you can see here, make sure you do everything the same. You can see here style right here, style, click style 4 pixel, and color. Yeah, color, I don't know which one should I use. Should I choose? Make sure that the moving average must not looking the same, okay? Make sure not looking the same. I'm gonna put white because of my screen, it's black, so I'm gonna put white. Okay, click save and click done. All right, so you can see since my screen is white, it's black, and yeah. So guys, sorry, I want to take this trade because it's on a strong sell. I'm gonna take this trade right now. I'm gonna take this trade right now guys. It's on strong sell, so I don't want to miss this out. 0.41 sell. I don't want to miss this out guys. Sell. And I also want to go and give it to my team as well, please. I want to go and give it to my team as well. Okay guys, I'm done taking the trades, you know what I'm saying. I'm done taking the trades, and I'm done giving the signal to my team, you know what I'm saying. That's why I had to cut the video off, because I was busy giving the signal to my VIP group, you know. So as you can see, I already take my trades right here, and yeah man, let's see how it goes, you know. You can see right here, this is the positions right here, and I also want to put the stop loss as well. So which the stop loss is gonna be okay, let me first put the stop loss guys. I'm so sorry about that, you know. Every single time you take the trade, make sure you put the stop loss as well. So as you can see here, my entry point is right here. Here it is my entry point, and you can see that I already put my stop loss right here. Here's the stop loss, and this is gonna be my TP1 and TP2, if you want to say. So if you want to know how I trade TP1 and TP2, you guys should leave the comment below, and if you have any question, make sure you leave the comment below. So right now guys, I'm gonna explain you guys how we're going to trade, how we're going to use this strategy. You know, so if you've been watching the whole video guys, you saw how I patched the strategy and everything. And if there's something that you misunderstanding, and you can just leave the comment below, and then yeah, I'll correct it later on, you know. So as you can see guys, it's very easy to use this strategy. As you can see, we have these levels right here down there. So as soon as the market comes and reach at this point right here, where you see down here, you buy, you understand. As soon as the market reach right here at this level, you buy. Okay, You buy, you buy, you buy all the way. This is gonna be your take profit. Level 90 is gonna be your take profit. Okay, as soon as the market reach to this point over here and start giving downtrend like this, starting on forming on down like this, you can see the reason why I'm taking this trade as well. This is the reason why I'm taking this trade. And now you can see that we're gonna drop all the way to this point right here, and you can see even on the chart the market is dropping. You understand? This is the reason why I took this trade, and this is the reason why I didn't want to miss this trade. So which this strategy right here, guys, is more powerful. You understand? This strategy, guys, works from 15-minute time frame. As you can see, myself, I'm using it on 15-minute time frame. Okay, zoom level, no zoom level, no zoom level. Okay, make sure the market is already give you the signal by itself. Don't force the signal. Don't force the market to give you the entry like this. Like when you zoom in like this, it's like you forcing the market to give you the opportunity, but it's not how it's supposed to be. Zoom out like this. Okay, any question, guys? Any question? Leave the comment below, you know, and make sure join the Telegram group, guys, because any question you can send me the message on Telegram as well. It's easy. Ask me any question about this, and I'll be able to. I'll be happy to help you. You know what I say. So go make money, go crazy. As you can see here, I'm taking a loss from KDCHF. It's all good, but it's not lost yet. As you can see, it's not lost yet. You know. Yeah, man, we haven't hit the stop loss. The stop loss yet, but we're still pushing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, you can see how the trade goes. You feel what I'm saying? Your boy here, man, we're trying to push so hard. You know what I'm saying? And for this who always asking about the broker that I use, guys, sign up with the broker that I use. The link is on the description below, and it's a good broker. You know what I'm saying? You can see the spread. It's normal. The spread, guys, is normal. A good blocker must give you a nice spread. You know, I said the spread is not too much. It's just nothing. No spread. The spread is just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So, as you can see, guys, we keep killing this market. The market, I took it in front of your eyes. This is how you trust the strategy. Look, we're dropping. We're going crazy, guys. We're dropping. So don't miss this out. Let's make this money, baby. Make sure follow this on Instagram, guys, as FX Juba Snipe. You know how we do. Peace out.